Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful and a wide variety of very easy to make hand embroidered, machine embroidered, handmade design ideas that how you can design your face masks. Yes friends, the initials of this video contains models wearing very beautifully made, very prettily hand embroidered masks, and the rest part of this collection would contain a very beautiful and exquisite view of details based handmade masks. Yes friends, these masks could be worn throughout your whole day if you have a hectic, busy or very tiring schedule as well, because they are very soft, lightweight, and they are with 3 layers, that is with inner filter pocket as well, with adjustable nose wire and with adjustable elastic ear straps as well. So every gender, every age group person can wear them easily, and they don't need to, or they don't have to worry about any sort of skin allergic reactions, rashes or skin irritation. So friends, now next we move on to the very beautifully handmade or machine crafted embroidered design face masks, and these masks could be used for party masks, bridal masks, because they would go very well with the heavy and embroidered and fancy touch up and look of your dress codes. Yes friends, different sorts of color combinations could be seen in this whole entire video collection. All of this collection is entirely composed of full heavily embroidered masks with different patterns and color combination of beautiful, decent, light and dark combinations, and different threads, matte, shiny, shimmery, velvety threads have been used to enhance the beauty of these masks. So friends, if you really like this video, then don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video content for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now friends, at the end I am giving you some amazing and exquisite ideas that you can also make these very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidery patterns onto your face mask, for designing your baby dresses, for making all over design of your shirts, kurti, and even you can make these very beautiful designs as perfect motifs for your handmade woolen materials like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, trousers, neck warmers and much more. So stay tuned, stay connected. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.